So the FPC is open to all those who wish to demonstrate a baseline of payroll competency. So anybody who wants to do USA payroll taxes, they can always do this course, FPC. And currently there are 6,700 FPC payroll professionals worldwide. And over 20,000 payroll professionals with different certifications in USA payroll. And FPC is designed for 10 plus, I would say, 10 plus 1 also. Because there are so many sharp kids. Okay, if they can learn coding at the age of 5 or in the 5th grade, I mean, doing FPC shouldn't be tough for you. Okay, because all these are industry ready courses. Gone are the days wherein you sit in the classroom and you will be listening to lectures. No, now it is time that you equip yourself with right skills, right knowledge that the world needs, like what we learned at the start of the day. What do you love? What are you good at? What are you paid at? Does the world need it? Okay, the world needs this. If there are people going from India to US or from other country to US, obviously they are working. Now when they are working, they need to be paid. Now if they have to be paid, they have to be paid either as an employee or as a contractor or as a business. Are you getting it? They have to be paid either as an employee, W2, or as a contractor, 1099 NEC, non-employee compensation. One of these two has to happen, right? So if you have to do payroll, you need to understand the USA payroll. Though EA covers, a significant portion of individual taxes, but when you come to FPC, you still go in depth. How you go to the payroll tables, how you compute those federal withholdings. That is what you will learn at in depth here in this payroll, in this course. And then next one, EA or CPA or CA, other financial professionals. Then entry level payroll professionals. So people who are freshers or who joined as a individual, as a fresher or something like that, even they can get started and upgrade themselves with this course. Next one, managers and supervisors providing strategic payroll management. If you are a manager and you want to get promoted, but you have not been doing the payroll course because it is expensive, I think you can now try this. Then sales professionals or consultants serving the payroll industry. How come sales professional? Now let's say if you are somebody who has been working in the USA payroll, USA individual taxation or business taxation also, if you see, 7 out of 10 W2s come from ADP. More than 50%, gunshot. It is prepared by ADP. Okay. Now let's say the sales team at ADP has to approach a company like Infosys or HCL to sell their payroll services. Of course, they must be already with them. But in case, so the sales team also should have knowledge of the payroll laws, of the payroll taxes. Okay, that's why even sales professionals and consultants serving the payroll industry also do this course. It's fundamental payroll certification, so it's not like advanced, strategic and all. It's fundamental. What is necessary for you to know about payroll, to do the payroll and all that. Yeah. Next, system analysts, engineers supporting payroll systems. Then payroll service provider, client representative. Then housewives, homemaker looking for additional income earning opportunities. We have so many housewives, who have become enrolled agents. Yeah. And the best part is you do not have to be a APA member to register or take the FPC examination. This piece is very, very important. You do not have to be an APA member to register or take the FPC examination.